How crazy can Fiona get?
Go on.
She's running in circles, sniffing the floor. She's jumping the couch. Two puppy eyes. But they're mischievous. She's looking at the camera. She's looking at the camera.
Yeah, she's a Sunoco.
Oh.
Well, look who's up before the cartoons.
Up, shade shower's gone to work.
He's in the nursery.
And she even tries to steal my shoes.
The kid is always here.
Well, he likes his cousin.
Now, are you
His friends.
crazy?
Every day that kid comes over here. Every day he's a little
For
strange.
some reason,
He's looking at the kid. He's looking at the phone. Oh,
You know you were gonna talk to Rosanna about his
I don't know why.
this is Bentley, her biggest rival.
It's okay.
Now Bentley is better from cancer. Great news. It's been really sad for Aunt Stephanie. She has to have one dog die from cancer, another got sick with a cancer tumor, but they removed it and she's okay. And we got one crazy pup here. That is nothing but love, as you can probably tell.
They really taste just like cardboard and they won't wind you up so bad.
What are you doing?
I think there's something really wrong with that kid.
Well, did she just give kisses? Is that what she...
Yeah, she's kissing the case. I don't know. She's nuts. I don't question anything.